Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can export settings. Now, whether for backup or to move them to a new computer. So open ShareX main window. In the left hand sidebar, click on application settings. Now select the general, just like that. At the bottom of the video, sorry. So it's not under the general, but it's here under the settings, and you will see directly here bottom export. So here you have the note, do not share the exported file because it can contain some private information. Now what you're going to do, click on export and you will see it will save as type of ShareX backup. And yeah, you can save it just like that and it will be saved. You can put on USB and then, or you can send it to in a different way to your computer, to the new computer, and you will have the settings right there. And yeah, how you can import them, as you can see here on in these settings, you also have this import button here under the export, and when you want, you will find on your new computer this file and you will just import it. And this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next